Hi, here is the Pentax Espio 130M overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment. So we need to use these small tools on the strap there to open it. Yeah, then you're using one CR123 battery, so you just put inside and press it. Yeah, next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Lens is clean and clear. Oops. Then put the film at here. So when you want to put the film, we need to slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor at inside here fit into the center part of the canister. Yeah. And pull the film tip to here. And make sure that your film is flat like this. Then we just close it. It will auto load. So when here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. Here is the on-off button, so you just push it, then it will open. And here is the zoom. Here is the shutter. Here is the viewfinder. We look into the viewfinder, we will find out at the center point got a dot. So we just use that dot to aim whatever we want to focus and half press. Okay, you see, for now, the AF lights keep blinking, which means that it can't focus. So maybe you slightly adjust a bit to make sure that it's focused. Yeah, like this means okay. Then we just click it. And if it have red light, like maybe I try to show, yeah, like this, got a red light, which means that it will trigger the flash lah. Then when we zoom, and yeah, if it doesn't blink, click it. Then here's the AF mode. Wow, actually normally I wouldn't recommend you adjust this setting lah. You just put it at default will do, as it's fully auto. Then this is the AF. This one is infinity focus, and this one is spot AF, which it will auto focus on the center spot of the camera. Which is more accurate lah, the focus. Then this is the timer, same, half press and press it. Then here we have a red light up, which means that the timer is start counting. It took around like 10 seconds like that. Okay. Then this one is remote. Well, it doesn't come with remote, so we just ignore it. Then this one is red eye reduction. Well, from my experience lah, it doesn't have any effect anymore lah. Yeah. Then this one is a flash setting. This one is force flash. This one is off flash night mode, flash night mode, off flash B mode. B mode, which means that you just click it. If you didn't release the shutter, it will keep open it until you release it. Yeah, it towards to more professional shooting lah. If you keep like moving it, then the outcome will be blurred also. So overall it's like this, and here is the date setting. By clicking it, you can adjust by yourself. This one, maybe it's the year, yeah. Then this one is the month, date, time. Then you see whether you want like what kind of format. If you don't want, you just put it like this. If you want, then you click for a while until they blink. Then you adjust it by yourself, yeah. Okay, so if you don't want to use it, push here to off it. And here got a small button. It's designed for people who wears specs to view the viewfinder without a spec. So you just adjust until you watch is clear, which means that it's okay. Then here is the panorama mode. When you switch it, it will become narrow. If normal, it will become very big lah. Like, technically, like to say is it just crop the image lah. Yeah. So when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using. Hope you enjoy it.